Hello friends, welcome you to my new YouTube channel, Coders Ganesh. Hope all of you are well. So in this video tutorials, I will be talking about most important points regarding how to start coding for beginners. So I will be discussing 3 points. So first point that I will discuss is why do you want to code? Second point, which language should you choose? And the third point, which website, like from where you will code, on which platform you will code. Okay, let's start. Let's talk on these points one by one. First, why do you want to code? As you know, technology is growing very rapidly, and if you want to enter in software field, in technology field, you must have to learn how to code. You must have to learn coding. So, suppose if you want to make any app, any web applications, any game, you need coding. Coding is required. And coding is not just required for these things. Coding is required to improve your logical thinking, like how you approach problems that you will be gained through coding. And everyone can learn code, like the 6th class standard student, 10th standard student, 8th standard student, everyone, whoever wants to learn can learn coding. So what should be the perfect time? Like, if you are a beginner, you should don't think about the others, like the one who is practicing coding from 1 year 2 years. Start coding much as soon as you can. Now, coming to the second point, which language should you choose as a coding for beginners? See, there are lots of languages like C, C++, Java, Sublime, Python, etc. You can choose any language, whichever suits you most. In my point of view, Python and C++ are too basic and important also. So you can start with any of these two. Now you have choose your language and you are very much clear about why do you want to code. So third point, where you will code. See, there are lots of online website where you can code, like HackerRank, Hacker, CodeSafe, Code Geeks for Geek, and also you can install IDE like Visual Studio, CodeBlock, Dev C++ in your computer. So uh, let me show you how you can code on HackerRank. We are on my computer. Let's click on the Google. Okay, here type HackerRank. Click on this link. Now see here, lots of languages are there: C, C++, Java, Python. You can start your coding with any language. I learned C++, so I will talk in this language. So always start with easy question. Don't jump on the hard question. If you jump on the hard question, you will you will be demotivated. So just solve the easy question and see. Start with Hello World program. I already solved this program. Now here, these all you can, if you want to practice this hacker rank is the best for beginners. Suppose you want to learn C++. So you type C++ documentation, and Microsoft C++ documentation. Now here C++, C languages are there. So click on C++. For these are the reference material where you can learn. Like if you want to learn array, click on the array, read this. Okay, see, lots of questions are there, lots of explanations are there, so you can learn from them. You can click let's go on my IDE. Here this is Visual Studio Code. I usually do my coding on Visual Studio. So create a new file, save. You can save with anything, like first video .cpp. You can save this file. Now you can code here. So if you want, I will show you how to run hello world program. Simply write cout. Let's run this program. See, hello world. So you can code like this. Now I will conclude this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Be safe. Bye bye.